As we conclude our journey across the swirling bands, volcanic moons, magnetic storms, and hidden oceans of Jupiter, one truth rises above them all. Jupiter is far more than just a planet. Welcome to the final episode of our series here on Infinity Beyond, where today we reflect on what Jupiter truly represents for science, for Earth, and for our place in the cosmos. From our earliest telescopic glimpses to Juno's stunning flybys, Jupiter has challenged our assumptions again and again. It is not just a gas ball spinning in space. It is a miniature solar system, complete with dynamic weather, active moons, and mysteries we're only beginning to understand. In September 2022, Juno flew just 351 kilometers above the icy crust of Europa. The image it sent back of ridges, cracks, and shadows along the Terminator line between night and day looked more like a world than a moon. That's the wonder of Jupiter's system. Its satellites are not side characters. They are destinations. Jupiter's influence stretches far beyond gravity. It taught us about planetary formation, the power of magnetism, the dangers of cosmic collisions, and even the conditions for life itself. Its storms help us model atmospheres on exoplanets. Its auroras show us how moons can interact electrically with their parent planet. And its sheer size and mass remind us of how delicate the balance of our solar system really is. It is also a planet of firsts, the first planetary auroras seen beyond Earth, the first observed impact, Shoemaker-Levy 9 on another planet, the first extraterrestrial volcanoes, on Io, the first solid evidence of subsurface oceans, Europa and Ganymede. Jupiter is also a planet of protection, a cosmic bouncer that deflects threats and gives Earth a fighting chance. And possibly, without it, we might never have evolved to ask these questions in the first place. But perhaps the greatest gift Jupiter offers is perspective. Looking into that massive stormy eye, the Great Red Spot, or tracing the orbit of its 90-plus moons, we're reminded that Earth is not the center. We are part of a much larger, older, more complex cosmic story. And as we discover thousands of exoplanets, many larger and stranger than Jupiter, we return to our own system with new eyes. Because it's not about finding something better than Jupiter. It's about understanding what Jupiter is and what it tells us about the universe we live in. So why does Jupiter matter? Because it anchors our system. Because it fuels our curiosity. Because it connects us to the stars, to the past, and to the infinite. Here at Infinity Beyond, we hope this journey has inspired you to look up a little more often and wonder, just as Galileo did over 400 years ago, what other worlds lie waiting. And with that, our voyage through Jupiter concludes for now. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, the cosmos is vast, but understanding begins with asking.